Hey guys, Justin here. We got 2 coats of yellow on the car yesterday. 2 coats of yellow on the engine bay, sorry. And on the wheel wells. We even did the back wheel wells, yellow. Got 2 coats on those. And we got 2 coats in the trunk. We're not worried about lap marks on the interior. Because there's going to be a race panel or there's going to be a seat delete panel right here for a firewall for the fuel cell. So what we're going to do today is get everything taped off. We're going to get everything taped off to paint the roll cage white, and we're going to paint all the dashboard bars white. Sorry guys, can't spit it out today. So we're gonna get all this taped off today, and I'm gonna run a time lapse on me getting all these bars painted white. So please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you can see the rest of the paint on this car. We're gonna try to get it done this week, and we're gonna get all the videos posted. So just stay tuned with us, and I'm gonna hook you guys up on the tripod here so you can watch me get this done, and hope you guys like it. All right guys, it's been about 5 hours. I got the entire car taped off, and everything's been washed, prepped on the roll bars, and I just got done doing denatured alcohol on it, so it's all ready to spray. We got everything blocked off so no spray gets on anything. You know, we're spending a lot of money to paint this car, so I don't want overspray on anything. I got 2 more pieces here that we're gonna lay across the engine bay, so when I spray this way, nothing comes up and over and lands on the yellow. But other than that guys, this thing is ready. We're gonna be doing, like I said, the dashboard bars and the roll cage all white. So I'll get you guys set up on the tripod and get you guys a good look in here while I'm spraying it, and hopefully you guys can see everything and I don't spray my camera. But hang on 1 second and I'll get you all hooked up and we'll start spraying this thing. All right guys, we're gonna spray this car. I hope it's a good angle for you guys so you can see me spray this. Make sure you got your gear when you're spraying this stuff. Pretty bad. All right, guys. Sorry for the delay. Actually had some technical difficulties. Had to go buy a new air hose. Ours broke. So we're actually back now. And hopefully we got the air pressure. My gun wasn't holding the air pressure, so we're gonna try to spray the rest of this. So make sure it makes it look good. All right, guys, as you've seen, we got the paper out of the car. Actually looks very, very good. We're not done with it yet. In the next video, we're going to tape off all the white roll cage that we just painted, and we're going to clean this again, get all the overspray off of it, and we're going to continue the yellow through the entire car and get the yellow all done. And then we will wipe it down again after it's dry. We'll wipe it down again after it's dry, and then go ahead and clear coat the engine bay and the whole interior of the car, all the wheel wells, everything like that. And then we'll tape it all off again, and we will sand the outside of the car, and we will paint the outside of the car. So it'll take a few more days, guys, but we will get it done. It'll be a few more videos to get it done. But just stay with us and stick tuned. Please like, subscribe, and share. Help my channel grow. We are going to try to get a lot done on this car this year before winter. We're hoping by the end of, like, the middle of next summer, this thing will be running. We're hoping, if we can work diligently. If not, it'll probably be done sooner than that, because we're not putting a lot of stuff in the car. There's very little stuff going back into the car. Other than that, we will have it all done. Just, guys, like, subscribe, share, and see you again next time.